home style. Home style, fry the meat dry and cook it down in a gravy. Home style, not brown stew. Where you tell me about cook brown in power?
Gravy white. See gravy white. Never salt the rice and go drink water for.
What do you mean? You don't know meat kind with it.
So why me a salt the rice?
Corn rice! You know I'm corn pork.
Yeah, but
Hold
on, where is the uncle?
yes, I mean boy, my prefer food taste good. More than I'm gonna do it like he got taste some shot as it.
I'm want to. Go eat. Okay, almost. And the package shaky, you know. How this is? Alright, peeps. Yes! We forgot to say not dead yet, peeps. That's your talent.
Yeah, man.
That's your talent. You know, I'm going to blend them up. And then I'm going to use season up the meat. This is magic seasoning.
Good gosh, man.
Good gosh, when this touch all like chicken them and the fish them and everything and gonna soak in it for tomorrow. No, man. Yard man style. Alright, that go rub in there. What's up? What going on, my beautiful peeps? Big up on yourself whether on the yard or abroad. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, big up on yourself in the summer. Yeah. I tell you, say, son, I'm born in Jamaica. Man, look at my lime tree. Lime tree fully active. It's a good look. Can get some lime, mix juice, me guess them. You know what I mean? When you remember my big planting where did they so? Yeah, man, big planting drop down, you know, peeps. Because I'm not there here somewhere there. See it here? Well fit, you know. Sun start burn it up now. Yeah, man, them spot here, sun a burn it. So today, now cut off the seed here and fit to the burst. That's how planting stay. Stay there to fit to the burst. Nice ripe one, yeah. Yeah, man, breeze blow down the planting tree. Now the yard want clean up too. Cause me know the boat from the other day, you know, tour, guess and something. So you know the thing go come here, come see two more shoot that is our next planting. The one that is our next planting that shoot. And here says a banana. Yes, so it's a good look. Planting one banana. But what we really want is a sour sap when me see up on that tree here around here, so we guess them all long. Yeah, man. I go up on the riverside. Go cook for about 40 to 50 people tomorrow. So me have that big sour sap here. But me I say, if it ripe, we can juice it for the guests them, you know what I mean? Yes, I. So see it here? Yo, naturally ripe on a tree. This is why people them love my channel all over the world. Because me deal with me thing natural yardman style. So you see this sour sap here, tomorrow it will go fully ripe. Right now it ripe, but by tomorrow, look, see my finger go through, yeah man, by tomorrow this can juice. Nice sour sap for the guests them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, right now I go out on the road, I go see if I can finish getting the rest of the ingredients them, because yesterday I did get in some already. So more go back on the road today, go try get in the rest of the ingredients them, season up all of the meat kind them and all of them things there. So when I reach the river tomorrow, you know say easy cooking, you see it. This is how we do it in Jamaica. Put down the camera and use my one because here says a gully, you know. And if it drop, gone a gully piece. Right. So you know, so what's up? Freshly picked from the tree. Yeah man, ready for you guess them. Yardman style. SunriseBoss production. You know the thing go? Yeah man, fully active. Show you things I want me get ready in a kitchen cause I go buy up some seasoning yesterday too. So show you that and go finish get my rest of ingredients them you know. So what's up active. Some of them here me get already. Yeah, I want 2 more coconut, me get my okra, me get my cabbage, get some pepper, scallion, thyme, cocoa, Irish pumpkin, yam. Yes, I all them little things there. So I go back on the road today, go finish, get up there some stuff them. I'm want to come blend up my season, make some original Yardman season. So stay tuned too. You are gonna see that. I'm gonna drive out now and head to the market. Make it a watch here, say now. That the fisherman village. So you know what me say? See what them have, see me can get some fish, get some conch, whatever them have can boil soup. Yeah, me want some things to boil some soup also. You see them all of them here them fish net, you know what I mean? Them here them use catch fish them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so that's why the fish them always solid and pretty and nice because them is not a shooter. Big up the shooter them will dive and shoot the fish them cause yo, you know the best to go way down there for shoot the fish them, they carry it come sell we. Who know are the best, but you see the fishing net now, them just throw it overboard and make it stay there and do your work. Couple days after them go dry it and I fish them up. So right now, I'm going to enter inside of the fishing village and see what I can get to buy. Subscribe to the channel. And come on, subscribe please. And then, you know, just forward and see, you know. Just forward and see. Oh, and tell us. Big and pretty. How much should I want you alone?
Yo, you know that.
I know. Oh, it's for you? Oh. And how much a pound? That peeps. So I'm gonna go with that one, you know. And I'm full of food and shit. Funny. Full of food.
Yeah.
Yeah, what? 6.5. The peeps. Some lobster them now, you know. Huh? Clean him. I don't think so. What do you think? What do you think? You can't clean them. Can't enough. I don't know enough cleaning did they? Yes, I want to pay for cleaning. Yeah, cause them are just grill with some sauce and something. So then they're good. Yeah, we come out have to get some parrot peeps, cause the snapper. You see what go on. Snapper them kinda short. Parrot them short run now. Grab them 2 stringer. Fully active. How much a pound fee come? 12 bills. See that? So this one are not clean up yet.
It's a 10 pound clean up. What is
10 pound clean up. Think this should be too much. So much a pound I say?
12? I was on 13 I clean up. Give me 12.
Yeah, but when I pray.
That's another secret. I'm a nice one. Watch out.
Sea cat, you know. At how much sea cat? I think I take 1 sea cat. Cause I don't have whole heap of
This have 3 grand, 2 grand.
3 grand, 2 grand.
Yeah.
Give me 3 grand one. So where you gone? This one you know 15? 15,000. You see peeps? Money I spend that same time. I charge on the money. We do cooking and I may buy up the food. Them. Yeah, alright. There's them other seafood soup, so expensive things. Alright. And this clean up. And them are clean up. So I just cut up and soup. Alright, it's a good look. Peeps, everything alright, everything nice. Just the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Anytime you want fish, watch your yes, our best place to forward at the fish market. Trust me, them have everything. When me are forward from, we are Portmore to come here, so St. Mary. Them have crab, everything. Lobster. Yeah, man.
Fresh thing.
Yeah, man.
Fresh thing.
A real talk, man.
Right now, I clean up for one lady. They might come up for an anniversary.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make my clean. So
Clean,
just like,
I just business. Yeah, right.
get back some American man.
Yeah, man. You right thing, subscribe. I'm gonna pay up here now. That's still a move, you know. See these peeps? Lobster still a move. So everything fresh. Yes, sir, you control it, Atu? Give me a best price on that crab, because from forward, me like it, you know. It is first thing catch me I'm coming. I'm want to. Go eat. Okay, almost. And the package shaky, you know. How this look? Alright, peeps. Yes. I forgot to say I'm not dead yet, peeps. Yeah, man. Good up, peeps. Yeah, man. Yo, me love crab, you know, you same time I boil this. Me no want nothing to eat with it. Me just sit down and crack crab and mash it up. Yeah, man, I saw me eat crab and lobster. You can't deal with the sauce, but me just like boil them natural, season up the water, and just eat them. Big woman level. And some me I go full jar this. Well, me tell you how me I go make him mad. You know what I'm mad now? If you make him hold on for your ears. And we see if he's strong. Well, I see crab, you know, maybe not powerful like land crab. He's powerful in I see, but from the moment he come along, he weak. Same like free land crab, if you go see him get weak out, and same thing with the sea crab. He come along now, he get weak, you conquer him. Yeah man, fully active. It's a good look, peeps. Bit of maga, but man, strong. See, pray, yeah. Clamus. Yeah man, but what I go on here now? I pick out some fire tick from upper my yard. We go up on the river, go cook tomorrow. Big cookout on the river tomorrow, peeps. Big cookout. So I prepare everything from my yard. Right now, I Percy there and Uptown there. We are going to season up the meat them from tonight. Maybe even put on the peas. So tomorrow when we reach at the river, everything just run smooth. So right now, I'm there on my fire heap tick. I look some fire tick yardman style. But I look for some gooseberry. Cause tomorrow I have pork for cook. I have oxtail. You know what I mean? I have rice and peas, chicken for fry, chicken for fry. I need solid fire tick. Fire tick. There, sir. Look fire now. Yeah, man. Piece of gooseberry there. You know what? The blow. Blow down the fruit tree, my gooseberry, my breadfruit, and my guinea. So right now another heap here, I have breadfruit, gooseberry, and guinea. But the strongest fire tick in here, so you know, are the gooseberry, then the guinea, the breadfruit. That no one no flames. Yeah, the breadfruit no one no flames under the pot. You see it. We see the gooseberry and the guinea. Yeah man, it more active. Where flames are thick. Food pot. Get all of them and chop them up. Tomorrow now, I just have a van man. We come bring all of them guy river. While me there, so I look fire tick. You know, person uptown I sees up in me see. Soon show you what I want, but now here so I big out for fire tick feeds. Fire tick up here, so you know. Yeah man. Airbnb, the Airbnb. Some member. You see all them here? Look here. Them are where we use set up the decking. Yeah, now me done with them. Then I can use. Them are good old sweet wood. Oh God. Oh, normal peeps. So I think some of them I need to cut up. Yeah man, cut up one tree of them, yeah. And carry go river. And you know, say, you're active. Yeah, man, when fire take them at tomorrow, peeps. I don't know normal. If you don't know what me I talk about, you will see what I go on tomorrow. Yeah, man, them tree, done cut them up and tie them up neatly so we can have them for Guy River tomorrow, you know what I mean? So just subscribe to the channel right now. I go upstairs, go show you what I go on, cause Percy and Bobby the upstairs are going to seize up the chicken and all I need them for tomorrow. So subscribe to the channel. I put that, you know, season time, you know, they are chop up the pork. Yeah, man, you know what I mean? Percy they are going to chop you up, fully active, yardman style. Yeah, man, we outside peeps, step on the rooftop. You know what I mean? Nice cool evening, all of the sun gone. So we choose that time of the season up. Uptown there, so I go and clean out the chicken and skin it, take off enough of the pan and all of them things. See, pretty? Yeah, man, pretty. This chicken gonna be fried. Yeah, man, some fried chicken. And the pork, you know, pork I go brown stew. This is just the start tighten up peeps, guys. We have all it more meat to season up. See them run us up on the border, so you know what I mean? We have lobster, we have fish, we have conch for cut up, we have oxtail in there, so and we have next bag of fish there, so today I get yourself fully active, yardman style. You know what I mean? On the riverside tomorrow, it's a good look. Mm-hmm. And first you are going to chop up the pork. You know the thing go. That we have to do, you know, fully active. Mm-hmm. Turn over here, so clean out the chicken. Mm-hmm. So, place cool and nice spirits. Almond tree, a dance, breeze, a blow. Whole heap of almond there underneath the tree to pick up, you know. Yeah, man, you know, go see a video with me and pick them up. Whole heap of almond there, all over the place. Whole heap of almond. Make some almond drops, some almond punch, almond porridge. You know the thing, bro. So just there, go and chop up some meat, then we're going to wash it off and season it up. So stay tuned, me soon show you everything what go on. As I say, we just start. So you can see, uptown still have a bag of chicken today, so we deal with that. Percy still have good amount of pork left, same way. So we outside, I do the right thing, fully active. Start season up the fish then you know. Then we have the fish then we buy this morning. Yeah, man. How much you pay for them fish again, Percy?
Why? How much again? About 12,000 or 15,000.
Yes.
So,
Yes, people that watch back the video and you will see what go on. But I think with a ball on the price, and
yes,
that's why I
man.
reason this. So I think at the 15,000, but you know, pay 12 or 30. You have to watch back the video. Because I
Yes,
have a
man.
ball on the price. Then the amount of fish man I tell me say 15,000.
See them,
Well, that's how
man?
I got peeps, because you know why? I out there, so them have to go feed, you know. And enough of we not go out there, you know.
And
Just
this,
like all me not go out there.
and this alone about pound and a half.
At that, yes, 2 pound. Yeah, man, I real talk, man.
2 pound, man. A
You know,
pound that and look a bit. They are idiot. About 2 pound.
you
You know,
not
two
catch
pound of
two
fish.
pound. You don't catch 2 pound, but see there, just pick some lime. And we are wash them off here now. Now a little bit from this, and I go blend up the season, so we soon see all of that. But we just go through first.
See you?
So if you dip your finger in ice, the fish then almost bore you. We just go through now and wash off, and then after we season up. So you soon see that. Wash them off with some lime. The meat them, we are clean them up with some vinegar. Also lime, same way you can use to, you know, cause a whole heap of lime me have from the lime tree there, so peeps. So the same lime them can use, clean up the meat and boat the fish.
Sure, cause a long time. I don't drink lemonade.
Mm. Yeah, man, we fully active, man. Animals them did it. All of the animals them still active in the peeps. Yeah, man. I mean, you know, true, me not show them up, then did they? Number of them are my security. So you can't too show up the security then. But
Running.
when they run in, you know, security then there, they must say, so how many I see them on camera? They still the boat, man. See the fish, them active. They say go on now uptown, chicken and done you know.
Active.
They say ready for vinegar. Alright, man, go
Go
for
on,
vinegar.
soak in it, look.
Wash them off. One pot of chicken peeps. Yeah, man, fry them tomorrow. You know what I mean? And in one of the comment section, me see them ask, oh, my chicken so pretty. We soon show you when me season it up. Oh, it's so pretty. Fully active, yardman style. You know what I mean? I'm on the outside. Fish for days. So you done with this?
I'm gonna show you my talent.
You say I show you talent.
My talent. Yeah, man.
That's your talent.
Yes, man.
Right, fish. And we have some sliced fish, you know. We go buy some fish after one in AC. So we not go see them there, see them now. And man, we are go season them up. We don't remember, and if you remember, we would dash away water. But see the beefs.
Food for days.
Where's the food for days uptown? Food for days. So we are go clean up them the same way. Yo, them I can't go in the pan, you know. So you get back the pan for wash, for clean them up. Yeah, dark pan. Yeah, man. All them I get whole heap of food, peeps. All this, you know, I can cook this, you know. Chewing some caramel and something. Yes, if you give Percy some. I want to see pan there.
I just him say something dog and you know. A dog will get on caramel.
Caramel deer and rice and some, you know, yeah, deal
Tell
with.
him.
Caramel and deer meat, you know.
Well, me no matter.
Deer meal.
Dog
Yeah,
will
man,
get
see
caramel.
peeps. Fish them.
No, pick up on there.
And pretty. Well scaled, well wash off. And what them parrot on here? When they have yellow, some have yellow. You know?
Yellowfin parrot.
Yellowfin.
Green tail, red belly.
Me I say my most fisherman.
Blue belly. Yeah, man, white belly. Yeah, man.
Cause what some have yellow and some. But big man left, you know, right now I got 3 different type of parrot in this, you know, cause this look different.
This look green tail, brother. Green tail parrot. This.
Yeah.
This a red belly parrot. Yeah. And this our white belly parrot.
This how which one?
I don't know which one that. I don't know which one that, but I know that one that.
Yes, peeps, you're outside. Alright. So I seize up his slice fish them now. These are the bonita jack. You go back after again, I will go spend one next 5,000 and get piece more slice fish. So enough people don't like the fish them with the bone. Well, these are the slice fish. So me cater for both. Yardman style. Yeah, man, fish there can go in my fridge for boil soup. Although we are going to boil soup tomorrow, you know. But, you know, yeah, alright, this is for boil soup tomorrow, you know. What is this? Sea cat. Tomorrow no good again. Sea cat and conch.
Boy, Percy, what a last
Sea cat and conch. You find that beef, sea cat and conch soup.
already.
With coconut milk. And nothing normal. No man, but we can't submit now, man. Yeah, man, say clean up, man.
Oh, just cut up it.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
So, you know.
This? What make you breathe again? Why? And I said no more.
You know,
say it now, comment.
You know, if you say nothing more, trouble with them.
Oh,
Could
God, man.
one bag come to you peeps, could they? Alright, make press. I them idea is money. Make press tell them how much you pay for them. Yeah. I think I them man not take no discount, but I think I 15, yeah, 15,000 for 2 of them. Yeah. See that peeps, seafood, conch, and that together 15,000. Yeah, man, but you know I go fully active. That's why I no book SunriseBoss and I charge a price. And just have to pay the fee because I make a full jar on yourself to the max and eat some good food. Tomorrow, everybody where I drink soup, I get at least 10 pieces of meat. in a them cup. So imagine, just look at that. That we are talking about, man. A biggie lifestyle, man. Could have be a conk for days. And this me even did up on the recipe, but you know what going to? We can't even give them a piece of curry conk tomorrow. Cause whole heap of conk. Yeah man, curry conk peeps. First I go and deal with the bonita jack. So you know, we just there, you know, we fully active. Clean up, as I always say, clean up all of the things, man. Then we blend up the seasoning and do the work. Then we put them in the fridge. Yeah man, I lobster did them man. We not touch the lobster yet. So them here the one cut up. This look like a what that? Oxtail? Yeah man, that person there chop up, you know. Hey, for me subscriber them are not easy, you know. You don't know me telling you my subscriber business I know. You don't know for me subscriber order something of my peeps. My subscriber say more oxtail gravy. But you never depend on the menu, so I don't know how me I gonna make the gravy without having the oxtail. First, you can you make the oxtail gravy?
Yeah, man, my oxtail sauce.
Can you make it uptown? Uptown say no. Wait.
I just make a gravy and say oxtail gravy.
Well, but you know a thing, go. I love cook and I love me. Subscriber them, you know what I mean, in a real life. But just go so and buy one £3 oxtail, you know what I mean? And I cut it up fine and tomorrow we have a brown stew same way. So guess them can get them oxtail for eat same speed. And them can get them oxtail gravy. When them watch the video, be a laugh, them a laugh, you know. But nothing wrong, peeps, I just vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Because if something the wrong mood, go ahead and buy the upstairs. Because remember, I don't charge a price already to do my thing, but you mention it, so I just say, yo, I like to make people happy. Although enough time people make me sad. You know what I mean? But I just life. So right now we are get the oxtail cut up, wash off, then we are going to season up. Yardman style. Uptown still over here, so Mount a conk can't done cut up conk for tonight. Yeah man. Fully active man. You can just cut some small and some on a little big level, you know what I mean? Yeah man. You cut some small peeps or you cut some big. So a man can say, yes! Chase conk. Yeah, fully active man. And wash off time. Gone back in a bag. Fully active.
Yeah, man, fully active, we active. Thing left to do, you know, I blend up some season.
Gonna lead. Book your riverside cooking now. And not only riverside cooking. If you are got married, you can also book me. If nobody drop out in your family and you want me to cook, my condolence, but call me. You know what I mean? Yeah man, me and the cookie them we forward and deal with the thing. Yeah man, no joke man. Just call me man. Call the yard man chef. Yeah man, anyone you see me, just say yard man chef them. Yeah man, I ramp with the yard man chef them. Yard man chef them like cook on fire tick. You know what I mean? Yeah man, nobody giving a gas stove or no coal stove. Fire tick. That a yard man style. Is it pre? Yeah man. Brawling man. You outside of the right thing. So say, oh, we are going to lobster. Alright, see it there. You can't then cut up for now. Uptown can't then cut up for now, man. Yo, you know when I buy the lobster yesterday, I wonder, because I push in a bag, you know. We didn't see it, you know. It's just there in a bag and I tell you about $8,000 for lobster. Me, I wonder if them bigger than small. But I say, yo, give me them.
Criminal man.
I said, then around 4 bag, you make you look fat. Yeah, man, we Jamaican, ramp with the peeps. Yeah, man, I get lobster, then you know, so we are going to sick. I don't know how much lobster, you know. Yeah, man. Boy, more 8,000. Oh, that's a good size.
Good size the boy I deal with, man.
Yeah, man, a good size. Yeah, man. It's a good size, man, really. Mm. Yes, I. You mix them and give it big and you give it small. Yeah, man, a lobster season and now one. Yes.
Police no show them why you
Where's some stitch of toy?
snitch, but me nah take no charge, brother. Them a charge a gear, no man.
Man, say not take the lobster charge. But I tell police exactly how we go buy it. So it's a boss, you sit them on the beach side, upon all this clip, good, I wonder, say yes. I want where so much police are go, all of a sudden. Yeah, man, so I go through you know and clean them up. We are go grill them, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, bossy head. Fully active, man, we outside, man. Just don't wash off the conch, cut it up, wash it off clean and nice. Wash it off with some lime a while ago. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Mm-hmm. Percy over here, so you know, I'm done with the lobster too, you know. Yeah, clean it up with some lime, same speed. So you know, a season up time now. Okay, everything done cut up. The axe here done cut up, same speed. Yo, it come here where we are curry to for tomorrow. When I done, you can cut it up. Yeah, man, cut up the conch there. Curry some conch tomorrow. They are clean up the lobster, so. The right thing, subscribe to the channel. Do it. Yeah, man. Up here, so we just chop up and do clean up and something. When I done now, I go downstairs in the kitchen. Go do the blend up my seasoning and season up the food. Season up the chicken and season up the fish. Season up the, hey, yo, me fi tell you, pork, everything I go get seasoned up, peeps. Tomorrow, cooking.
One whole week. Oh, yeah, sure to go up on diet.
Oh God, first it's a white bread. A white bread and that's soul from growing in front.
Wow, you're so tired. I teach first look at you now. Take the telly. One piece of jam with them. Not for good, no little cookie.
Yeah, it's
you know, always I teach you know, it's a job.
Remember we say a home style and not brown straw.
But you know, put the brown tip on.
A home style. Home style, Friday meat dry and cook it down in a gravy. Home style, not brown straw. Where I tell you about cook brown in power.
Gravy white. See gravy white. Why?
White gravy with them, man.
Why? Jesus Christ.
Bobby and Percy always upbeat.
Why you look up here, man?
I don't know if you're style, brother.
Boss, put up the meat and just throw some water and cook it down, you know. Uptown, I say, I should have throw a little brown in the water.
Yeah.
Pan the meat in the water to make it.
Yeah, yeah, licking finger.
The Percy, I say, I know, don't stew my cooking and you know browning. You might fry it and cook it down.
Look on that. Look on that. I want to tell you, man, when you see white gravy, man, why you can't cook it up?
That's what I got in there.
Alright, Mr. Father, got it, man.
Why? That's so Papa, I can't hear you. Help me in the kitchen. Why? There's too many areas at the food. So who can cook, who cannot cook.
People, no comment and tell me if you don't see white gravy.
When artists like that a danger, I see a
No comment and tell me if you don't see white gravy.
You go on, man, but alright, you know white rice with gravy, you know with brown gravy.
Yes, Tama.
Yeah, see the him Could I make chicken them fry a couple more still?
You know your man said gas soon done.
We don't want to gas
I
done.
want to man.
Sorry, sir.
I'm like, you know your man said gas soon done.
You better gas done pan when it a cook down.
Yeah.
Because it done fry up already where the blood come out and meat peeps. And maybe say the gas done, but all of a sudden the gas, and by that time the gas and we cook food. So we just fry up the meat, the blood come out, we cook it down now. Yes, I'm licking finger, bro.
I mean, if you must lick your finger. I feel lick your finger. I'm not.
Yeah, of course. Of course. I am a friend. I'm going to support you. But when you do foolishness, you do foolishness.
You have to say I'm motivated.
Chat. When a person do foolish, you have to tell them. If you see him going there, oh, kick him down.
Alright, TikTok is up on that.
No same thing, same way.
You see him more jobs.
Why? Uptown done cut up everything, so all of them you know, I'm going to blend them up. And then I'm going to use season up the meat. Yardman style, season up the meat and the fish. You know what I mean? Yeah man. While I blend them up, I tip some of my little powder seasoning in it. Yeah man, tip some jerk powder seasoning inside of it while I blend it up. You know what I mean? So all purpose season. You know what I mean? I wear the season to the bone. So this is how we do it. Yardman.
Bubbling.
It said keep it bubbling.
Yes.
Keep it bubbling. Rice pot are going away.
Show them what I'm going over here, man.
It's a rice active.
I mean, because you can take up one grain and count it.
Alright. That's a code. But Tony, are you mature what fun?
What do you know about this, man? Look there. I'm going to take up one grain, count it.
Boy, I just got jasmine rice.
Where's that? If I do local Jamaican rice.
Why that?
So,
Jasmine rice.
so, alright, so, hold on. You had my jasmine rice?
Rice. That's rice. Cooked rice. But I throw if a jasmine rice, half cook and just say.
Percy, are you had my eat jasmine
No,
rice?
sorry, man. Don't I eat jasmine rice.
So first what you eat?
I eat rice, white rice.
No, what kind of rice?
White rice.
What man on the back?
White rice.
That man on the back?
Yep. White rice. That's what we do, but now. White rice for I eat, but
So I eat white rice, alright.
I talk about jasmine.
No jasmine rice. Yeah man, but
Don't look for the white gravy.
this smells sweet. And then I see everything without all active man.
Man, make it wrong put down there.
One white gravy.
Yeah, very man.
Gravy white thing.
But yeah, still, but you could have make it more present.
That's why we call you uptown come a country people. You don't cook like how country people look. Everything have to well decent. And that's how we do it in a country. We fry up all the chicken back and just throw the water and some black pepper and I agree with that.
Amen. Go on. You don't that. You don't that.
Well, when they are there, good
You might eat that.
No, so now you cooking, so now good food.
Yeah,
Good food. You just don't have the money to season the pot.
Yes.
But you have the chicken back, you have the rice, and when you check you have salt and you have black pepper.
Why hungry? I got
Hold
on, man, where is it? Hungry?
yeah, boy, my prefer food taste good. More than I'm going to do it, like, he got taste some shot as it.
Steve, so this is why we're giving you uptown come a country.
Yeah,
I live in uptown.
Alright, peeps, you ever go buy ribs at a restaurant, buy food? When you buy food, you have to say, yeah, you just eat the meat and that's it, because you have to say, chunk, what is? Yeah, like.
You want restaurant different.
Like, you know,
Can
they
spend
probably
the money.
buy it.
Yeah,
But they don't
cause
want to buy the ingredients.
yes, if me go to a restaurant and spend my money to buy food, it's supposed to taste good because I'm a charge fee.
Yeah, that is
But
true.
me that me I don't know and me if get pay and me no get pay and when me look me I'm gonna see flour,
Why?
me see chicken back and
Why?
me see salt and me go some box and me say and me see black pepper. Throw black pepper over chicken back
That is
and fry it up
Why? But
Cut.
if we get paid,
More-
me
more
not
while-
if
more
me if we
paid
get
and
paid,
more
I
while
call on the boss
more while
phone
have
and
money.
mash up.
While I have the money and
Me
can't
say-
reach in a town to get
Where?
the ingredients.
Don't have to reach there.
Food have to
Me
cook.
say,
Yeah.
call on bossy phone, telephone, mash up.
Yeah, but I dead before you reach.
You have to cook good food, brother.
Dead before
Well,
you
say you
reach.
want good
Yeah,
food.
go and cook, lie down, eat, belch, go back. Yeah.
No,
it's
man.
bad, you know. It's nice now when you sometimes when you cook sharp pot, it's nice. But when
Alright,
you
look
have
here.
ingredients,
Big woman live here now. We a
So
country.
easy.
Percy born and grow a country. Me
Yeah.
born and grow a country. You are now
Yeah.
a uptown person. So if you go here, brother, now, say for instance you have some rice here now. You have the steam, this and just throw cooking oil pan and eat your bed.
it all depends. But steam rice and
All
chocolate,
depends
no,
on
no,
the
If I
That's
put
what
that
I
in
tell you.
it, but
I
rice.
don't know
Me do it, me eat it so already, but so with no meat.
I mean,
Me try with the butter.
you know about salt all the rice and go drink all the water to pull up all the belly.
After me and a half.
Yeah. So I tell you, say you don't know about separation.
Yo, we have
One
different,
thing,
hey,
baby.
my sufferation different
Yeah,
from
man.
yours, the same sufferation,
Salt,
same way.
salt,
But
the
look at-
rice.
But look at that's still
So
salt
the
the rice.
food-
When I go
when
salt the rice and go drink water for.
What you mean?
Oh, no,
You don't know me kind with it.
So why me a salt the rice?
Corn rice! You know I'm corn pork.
Yeah, but you know I never can the rice.
Drink your water
And then
and
we
full up
force
your
it drink the
belly.
water.
What you mean?
So when
Full
you
up your
cook the
belly.
rice normal and drink the water.
You not gonna have no taste.
Jesus Christ.
So with the salt, you know,
No,
you
you
know,
can have the salt.
You got everybody in life go through them
The
own
one
suffering.
straight,
Yeah, man.
that's
I really
what
thought that,
I
man.
want different mind from your
Yeah, but we are country, trust me, say country people sufferation different from the city people, the man.
No,
uptown
me that say
people.
it more better car country when you can go pick a breadfruit, banana and see we can't pick it.
Well, that's true.
Buy
Still.
that below and sometimes we buy it. You spend 1 day here, 2 days, it start rotten.
But we rock a country, like for instance, we got a bush now, we go dig yam and we find a couple of cocoa and breadfruit, and we come and we roast it. We eat with little salt and cooking oil, and I do that.
Yeah. And since lately me start me and cook
Yo,
cause that could come in
my
the microwave.
boy,
Me
find
start
a 2 pot of ackee.
I
And go boil that in a 1 pot with some flour, banana and cocoa. And just take out it, put in a 1 plate and name it. I have no time to go cook down now 2 pot of ackee.
Cause 2 for you find you
Yeah.
why you never say?
That
When you
name-
search
that-
on the tree,
that
you
name-
find more than 2.
No more than did it.
Now, what did we use?
How what did it we
So you cook a
use?
half pound of rice with the
Yeah, man, flour. Flour
So
all in 1 pot.
So you go drink
One.
it.
Tell them, man. I man, Percy and Bobby always act it, man. They just go and look a clip of them, man.
Come on. Come look how you cook home style. See you cook home style chicken there.
Can't even cook.
See you cook home style chicken and a brown stew chicken. Home
Yes.
style.
Yes.
Home
Correct,
style.
but simple.
The gravy white.
See me, the gravy no white, but
And you see me put the brown in
I
there.
don't put the ketchup in it.
Eh.
I don't get up in there.
Oh my God, can't do anything, man. But boy, I don't put some of this in there in a pit. Don't make it.
I don't put wine.
Colour.
No, I don't put nothing. No, nothing.
Yeah, man, you still have them
Yeah, man,
little
a
piece,
bad
but
chef
we just
to
there
be.
go and vibes and around some joke and Percy
okay.
pot someone done cook, so we have
I
food
mean, right
to
now
eat.
this ready. Right now food ready, my boy.
So, what you think, what you do? You want to blend up them and just season up the meat
Yeah,
and
man.
then just
Yeah,
eat
man.
after and
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
done.
man.
Yes,
See you,
please.
man, so much.
Finish season up the meat them, because see them in a clean up and then a bag and wash off, so we are season them up here now, active. Season and clean out, you know, small blender now work so good. So we clean it up down. I'm gonna clean out in this. Yeah, man. The peeps. This is magic season.
Gosh,
Gosh, when this touch all like chicken, them and the fish, them and everything, and gonna soak in it for tomorrow. And I'm not normal, this, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man. So you look pretty and nice. Yes, sir. Everything blend up. Ginger, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. So we do it, man. Yard man settings. First you load up back the blender there again. Last set this, you know. So after this, season time, peeps. You can wash up back and eat some food. I know so earlier morning, we dip on it. Can you just use your hand take them out, girl, man?
Until look official, you know.
And tip look water there. And give that one more seasoning. Alright.
Seasoning for beard.
Yeah, man, throw all of that. This is how we do it, peeps. Like with original season. All of this there too.
Official jerk season this.
If you jerk or anything. I'm gonna use that one there. What we do the pimentas? What we do the pimentas?
Yes, yeah?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna throw in some pimenta seed to peeps.
Plum juice.
If you smell like plum juice, I must say uptown.
It's weird.
It's saying weird. Alright. Season this here. Ready for season up all of the things that I know, peeps. Fully active. Percy $10,000 drink off all of that non-stop. US.
Right now.
Alright, that's somebody I go challenge you with that in the comment section, I know me.
Right now, 10,000 euros. I drink all this non-stop. Yeah?
You could have do it uptown. I don't prepare low when the onion and all of them things are burnt short and you could do it. You're mad. That come like the people around and I pepper them.
Okay.
But them have to give up. Nice man, I'm not tasty it.
I beat off this right now for 10,000 US.
I'm not take it for your head.
I'm not taking it from my head, non-stop.
Alright peeps. We see about that. Give it 10,000 euros. What's my make up your face? You feel it after effect now.
That's not what it's at.
I season up here now. Boss, I pull the bag there and something so. Season it time peeps.
But I'm telling you, I'm gonna work with all that, you know. Stop trying to give me all that. Hold on.
My girl. We want a scoop. You know, have a scoop. Season up time, see how we do it. Yeah, man, on the rubby in this a season, on nothing normal. Yard man style. Alright, that go rubby in and there. You throw more. See that peeps, and the whole is a season, I go over that. And nothing normal, you know, my peeps. Pretty. See how when it's a season, soaking at them and tomorrow. The subscriber then start eat them a chicken. Lord of God. You throw some more up though.
Use the scoop now.
Boy,
I want to that country boy, yeah, man.
I want to him.
And that salty people and chicken.
Salty people and chicken. See chicken look. Don't put on the natural seasoning. Put on some more powder seasoning. This is the color one. So when them say, oh, my chicken so pretty, I show you what I go on now. But chicken about if you use too much, the chicken have got salt, it have got pepper, it have got fresh. So I'm going to alone now for using. Roll it all over the chicken where I got jerk, I have got fry. You look on the chicken, it's pretty. Yeah man, you want more man. Bust this and show some more by the uptown. Chicken for pretty.
Man say over here, man, they say, no man.
Why?
That look
Making
weird.
story. Just soak on the chicken. Yes, come around and nothing normal.
Sure, come on.
Come on, give more, man.
Show like a you buy.
Correct. Yeah, so.
We say my show like a him boy.
Sure, like a mid-man.
Season up here now, put in our bag.
Jesus Christ.
Bag all work,
My friend weak.
You know weak you want to say. The bag all work, one
So
way
it's
my
this.
choice.
Put in a deep freeze now till the morning. So the season gonna soak in there now. So tomorrow, oh God, 10 finger looking good. Pretty and nice. Yardman style. So what we are season next? Cause can season the same pattern, you know. Can season the oxtail, then we season the pork, then you wash out and season the fish. Yeah man, because that is pretty. Alright. Oxtail we have a season, you know. Yardman style. Same way we are going to stop there. Just tie it.
It's on top, sure on your meat.
Alright,
Top,
okay. I was glad that I already know that so. Brownie in this. Yeah man. Yeah man, I put brownie in pan man. Oh, you not put brownie in pan your oxtail?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
In a home style chicken, they put brown in my.
Yeah, boy, you can boil sugar too.
Alright. Our Grace, don't play with Grace, you know. It thick and original and all of them things there. And I like the rest of brand them. Where you know get your color. So now I could want to know what you think. Yeah man, do you come out you know? Because we don't cook.
You too, man.
What those are you trying? Alright.
You afraid
You
say
two are
we keep it
afraid. Oh no, man, so like I'm afraid of poorly. No, poorly.
But if you throw too much in, make it bitter.
Alright, now sleep away back. This is come out. So put him in here. That gone out way. We season up the pork next. Yardman style.
But look, you know.
Now what
Try
the-
everything one time.
Now, and tomorrow, after I'm done cleaning, after I'm done pressure, and we are gonna make it gravy and so we just stick look more brown in our meat. Yes, you know what I mean? So we can't put too much now because we are gonna fry it up. Yes, peeps, you know watch and learn. And for the rest of YouTube, then we are watch to wanna catch nothing around. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, you know, watch and catch
right.
notes. No Moko the father, me are the big son. Anybody, you come after peeps. Believe me, man. When I pork that. If you love pork, let me hear the typing and let me see the typing in the comment section. Pork.
See, and them a go up.
But you know you don't have no pork.
Them no pork.
Key, put up me hand.
Yeah, man, I love it.
You want it, no?
You don't have the meat, but yeah, I sell the yard.
Big up the St. Mary artist. Money have to make. You don't have meat, but we sell the
Sell
yard.
the yard. Morocco.
Check out pork.
Okay, I go back to my
So you must bad, give me some more.
fucking nice.
Alright, give me some of this there, you know. Some of that jerk season, because pork, you know. A pork, I love, you know. I don't ram for the pork, you know, man. Bust this and show some over here. Yeah, man, make that go soak. You know, see what a season here, season to your bone. You know, see a pork this. So you know, if you season to your bone, how you deal with?
That is it.
brownie, man. Once a person, oh look, one more season already for brownie.
No, man a browning.
Alright, now beef, browning. We no cook white stew and we no cook white curry. Browning. So pork have to brown and look pretty. Be more browning.
I try something them. I want to tell you what. Top man, I wait.
Yeah man, we still have to want more browning. My shop done the buckle of browning.
Man, sure, I take you all I have to show you.
Me this man, me know what I'm going to do. Yeah, me tell you, I pork this, Pork the ramp when it a take your browning. Then buy egg white. You remember white egg? Me know that, bro. Browning. Buckle done. Me tell us I go done. Me know that.
Yeah, man, this can go and work till tomorrow.
Flash you out. Not now waste, not now dash
Show
you.
will come over water tonight. I wash out everything. All over it.
Alright. Country come from. Not now waste, not now dash you. Dash you buckle now. Yes, please. You can know. If you want more, you have more browning, man. I miss a browning, man.
Browning supposed to be in another one.
See that.
I know
Behind the
browning.
eye box. Behind the eye box.
I know browning. Oh, yeah, man. But see if we have. Eve, nothing wrong.
Supposed to have grace.
Long time. No, oh, that look. Long time grace that, That would have tick up. Yeah, man. I saw it. More time we have to do local mixture. Because you have white woman and then say they want black man. And you have black man and then say they want white woman. So nothing wrong. More time local mixture have to go. And I circle peeps. Grace, Eve. Nothing wrong. Food still have to cook. Food still have to taste nice. Alright. Mine Eve throw a whole heap of blackness in for them, Look there. Mine Eve throw a whole heap of blackness, more blackness in for them,
No, man, alright, I'm out, man.
Alright, sir.
I'll take you come over tomorrow.
Tomorrow we eat, man.
Friday, man.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow we eat. So see that? That gone bag up here now. Fridge that I go. So we have fish and lobster left for season up. Fully active. But empty. Tie him up. Gonna lead. So my choice some season right. The man love pork yarn. Right. It's a heavy. Most heavy, 15 pound of pork yarn there so. Alright. We are season for fish them and all of them the piece. Fish them I go season up here now, Them have some bonita chop. Yeah, man, 12 season over them, man. So everything have to taste good, cause you see one season I go over them peeps. Yeah, man, so nothing can salt and nothing can pepper. Alright, hold on, making story. Yes, use a spoon, you laugh. Hey. Yeah, man, show it to more. You have the black pepper, I'm going to serve it. Some fish, them there. Alright, you are going now. Lift them up one and make it by a stipple to season of them. And let me know if I show them on camera, but I show them why my food so nice. Yeah, man. You just lock him back and you just put him back. Yeah, man, good. Oh. You know, so we are going to season them up here, so, and we are put them in here, so.
Sure.
Bonita jack them easy if you soft out, you know. But with the water, can I say the water they don't want to get rid of? What them the peeps? Lobster them the hide, you know. Them the go season up too. So drain off water from off our fish and get them season up. Fully active. You want that season gone in already. So you see that peeps, so the season gonna soak in it. So tomorrow a biggie. Go through and through a season, all of them. So you know everything go everything active. Yes. Fully active yardman style. Last one that you know peeps.
Don't put no more in there.
See them man? Yeah, I'm gonna season up bonita jack. Then I go bad. Season soaking of them. Yeah man, I make them turn nice, so just pack them back neat. So peeps all season. Fully active man.
Throw in there, man.
Yes, after this I lobster, you know. And then I eat that.
Not throw no more in there. Ease out.
Ease out.
We don't want the salty people in food now, man.
Yeah, see man.
You say I want it.
I want him.
But right I want it boy salt.
I saw the curry of a rich man estate. Oh, that me I tell you.
Yeah man, get the fish the season peeps. Fully active man. You know peeps, lobster time, you know.
Well seasoned.
Well seasoned. Yo, just throw some over them. I want to do it already.
No man, wait.
Oh, what left in our pot can throw over them. Yeah man, so the peeps are well seasoned, you know. Oh God. Jesus peace. Trouble. 10 finger licking good. Everything well seasoned, yeah man.
Everything.
Them they soak in, you know man, and yo, me just imagine tomorrow. Father God give you a fair day, no rain, just sun. I mean no just sun and
Daily.
because it's Sunday. It's not Saturday or Monday. It's Sunday.
Daily.
Steady man. Yeah man, fully active man. So you say everything seasoned up here now. Yes, peeps. It's a good look. Yeah man, just throw them over in. Yes.
Troublemaker ringo.
Nah man. Yeah man, well seasoned. Clear off all of them off our fridge and put them in our fridge. Come and just plug in the deep freeze so it's active and ready to go.
Oh,
So,
so.
put it some here back in our stick up. See it?
Why? Why got it from me? Why? You know,
Yeah man, see fridge up peeps.
watch it.
Packing all the things them in the fridge.
Well,
My real subscriber they know how much years now I buy this a fridge, you know. The only time I use it like time like this. You see that peeps? Packing all I meat them so good. For tomorrow coconut duck. So we're gonna blend up some coconut and just take out them out of pumpkin to plant. So then I can plant next time. Alright, here we go this one. I want me as someone as a person, but I'm modern days.
full argument and can't dig out coconut.
So what for Mother's Days? What that mean? You know use coconut?
Yeah, boy, the pan yourself.
Coconut powder, I'm going to use. Coconut powder, chef.
This a real deal, man.
Tell him.
No, man, but
Tell him.
This a real deal. See it a peeps? Your water shaking eye. Watch out, you look round and he say, your water shaking like man I want more coconut that. Yeah, man. You look round like man say, so I want more coconut the man go for. Yes, peeps, that wanna come from a Percy farm. In a real life. Yo, I truly the busy. Today I'm mad for say yo, we got a farm now. Go look some jelly. You see, when they show up me yesterday, I'm glad. Because I don't have much jelly a farm, a river now for you guys tomorrow. But I saw it go. Them have other juice. You see the peeps? This is the coconut. Then we dig it out and blend it or grate it and get the milk. Cook rice and peas. Put some of this in a soup tomorrow too. Oh God, you wanna know normal.
Me tell us if you pull the bag, you bounce the bag.
the bag never bust already. You never tell a man say the bag bust or something. Boy, so what you take out? You know, if you use to take out.
You used to just remember I come coffee, curry and grill. Yeah man, lucky thing we have look of season left over. So we have some bigger piece them, we are gonna grill them. And the smaller piece I go curry. Yeah man, I will go, we have our pull, oh, so we have some pull seasoning.
Top man.
Alright. I think we have curry. I put on curry pan now. Yeah, man, I take out the whole heap of bag there, so. Yeah, man, put it, you want to jerk in this. Feel me want that.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Percy.
No, man, I told sunrise, man, jerk count. Moms, you're in a trouble. So count can soak in our body. And what you tell me, so me and I'm too much good food already. So imagine this, go on them the good food there. Chiplet. So you can't find a curry. Tomorrow you get curry. No. What me I say, too much water no. No, not this. Look the peeps. Tell me the wrong and right. Where's the up to? 1, 2, 3 lines mix this a little juice, you know. Me not wrong you. Where's the top? Where's the one?
7 lines in
That's how we want 10.
Where's the? It's sour.
yeah, boy, can't drink, but why?
You can't drink.
Yeah, me have to say so, come on, so.
Yeah, man, see that piece up on the coconut. Thick up and nice. No water, man. Yo, where I do that buckle? And my buckle, if you throw me coconut milk, I see you use one buckle already and if you touch none. And my drinks buckle them. So I don't know where I deal with. That's why I'm not sure about you, but you know, say, well, me I tell you where I go and I feel me buckle that. Yeah, you throw me coconut milk. First piece, you get that buckle and you cut it. See the top over there, so you cut off the top. I don't say nothing. You can't with this one here. No, you want to take up that one. You have to tap it. You can't work. That one I will put in the coconut milk. Yes, peeps. So you know, so I eat this for tomorrow. Everything active, you know.
Everything.
Yeah, man. Want to say bake on the river? Some flour and vanilla and butter and certain things and bake. Alright, then say bake on the river field. Toto. Coconut milk. You know, you put in a buckle and put in a here. Freezer. Uptown. What go on?
Can't eat, man.
That oh, you mean the man food can't eat?
Young could have. But can't.
Man, I say rice you want cook more. Why am I say peeps? You see what I go on?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Looking funny. Let me see. But can't go on. Extra shelly rice.
I'm telling you, boy, you ketchup.
You say,
No, man, ketchup. Bad with it.
well, I take. Man, this is a blood clot. Man, take out ketchup and pepper. Oh, your meal fully active. Yo, check the pepper and the ketchup is still in the car. I'm not lying, good boy, I don't see him. So I don't know. Alright, if you got to uptown where you come from, you know what I mean? Peeps, mash up some food and now. Uptown? Food active, man. I'm going to your fuck. Pepper we are nice. Nah, like rice. Have a little hardness in it, but they cook. I just serve up. Some people eat their rice like this. In real life, you have some people love them rice. Shelly way. When we are eat, you feel like a gummies there, and I like some people when they cook them cabbage. Then I like it full soft. So I go on, but home style bad. Remind me of my grandmother. They are them food that you cook back in Nigeria. Home style bad.